Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about a note as a revision lesson. You have already taught this lesson, but I want to remind you the lesson. What do we call as a note? What is a note? Yes, tell me. It's an informal way of communication. What is a note? It's an informal way of communication. Right? Now we take this to convey our ideas. What is a note? It is an informal way of communication. Then what is the purpose? Why are we writing this? Why are we writing a note? What is the purpose of that? Yes, it is to convey a short message to a person we know very well. අපි හොඳින් දන්න කෙනෙකුට කෙටි පණිවිඩයක් දෙන එක ක්‍රමය. What is the purpose of a note? Note to convey a short message. We don't write it long. Okay? Short message to a person we know very well. Remember this. We are writing a notice to a person that we know very well. Okay? Right. Now I have taught you what is a note and the purpose of a note. Yes? Again, what is a note? An informal way of communication. What is the purpose of writing a note? It is to convey a short message to a person we know very well. Do you understand? Right. Then, now let's see a format of the note. Let's see the format of a note. Format of a note. In this way. Now, take this as your answer paper. This is our right hand side and this is our left hand side. When we write a note, we write the date on the top of the right hand side. Here, what are we writing? Date. Then here, it is the salutation. Amantrana. Salutation. Always you must write the salutation below the date. Below. It should be down the date. Okay? Don't write in the same line. That is wrong. You have to go down and write it. Okay? Remember that. If you write the salutation in this line, it is wrong. You don't give any marks. Then, after that, write the message. What are we writing next? The message. අපිට දෙන්න ඕන පණිවිඩය හෙටි. Message. Then, you write your name. Sender's name. That is the end of the note. Sender's name. It should be written under the date. In the right hand side of your page. Okay? Remember that. This is the format of the note. What do we write first? Date. After the date, you have to write the salutation. Then message. At the end, you have to write your name. Sender's name means the person who are writing the note, that person's name should be there. Okay? There should be the margin. Remember that. Don't start at the also it should be there. This is the format of a note. Right. Now I am telling you how marks are allotted in your question paper in order. Mark allocation in the O-level. Right. Now I am telling you how marks are given to these answers at the O-level examination. Marks allocation. I have already told you that in paper 1 for writing marks, they give marks to us in these two ways, content and language. Content and language. You find this letter and this letter in your paper, right? Content means the facts you entered in your message, okay? Then content 2 marks, language 3 marks, altogether 5. This is how you are going to get marks at the O-level examination for writing notes, okay? Now content includes all the facts with the date, salutation, ending and the message. All these comes under content. The language, there you are testing grammar, spelling, punctuation marks. Okay? I have already taught you these things, but to remind you these things again, I do this as a revision lesson. Right. Now let's do an example. Now I am going to give you an example of a personal note, right? Please come to my office during the interval. During the interval. Right. There is an important. There is an important thing to discuss with you. Thing to discuss with you. Okay. Now I have given you an example note. Right? Look at this note. Let's read this. 14, 12, 20, 20. Nimali, please come to my office during the interval. There is an important thing to discuss with you. Ask. Yes? Now, try to answer my question. What is the date? 14, 12, 20, 20. What is the salutation? Nima. What is who wrote the note? Ask. Right? That is the sender's name. Then what is the message? These things come under message. This is the message. What is the message given in the note? Please come to my office during the interval. There is an important thing to discuss with you. Here, look at this. There is no opening remarks. That means, how are you? I am fine, thank you. We don't write those things in our notes. Okay? Then, this is salutation. Here it is the date. then sender's name. Okay, now I know you have understood the how to write a note, right? Now I want to give some hints. ඉංගි ටිකක් දෙන්න ඕන. ඔයාලට note එකක් ලියනකොට මොනවද අපි යොදන්නේ නැත්තේ කියලා. හරිද? බලන්න. Now these are the hints when writing a note. We don't just first one. අපි මෙහෙම දාන්නකෝ tips for writing notes. Tips for writing notes. Note එකක් ලියනකොට මෙන්න මේ දේවල් ඔයාලා මතකයේ තියාගන්න. Tip for writing notes. First one. Do not write a heading. Do not write a heading. අපි note කියලා ලියන්නේ ඒක උදේ. Do not write a topic. මාතෘකාවක් ලියන්නේ. When we write notices, we mention notice. But in note, we don't write that. Do not write anybody's address. Second point is, do not write anybody's address. Do not write anybody's address. Second point. Okay? Then do not write opening remarks. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? අපි ලියුමක් ලියනකොට වගේ do not write opening remarks. Right? දැන් අපි ලියුමක් ලියනකොට ගන්න ඕනේ how are you? These are called opening remarks. How are you? Then how's life? How's your life? We don't write those things in our notes. Remember that. Then it should be written in brief. Should write in brief. Brief can be in short. Should write in brief. Okay? Take it in. And to the point. We have to say what the question is given to us. Brief and short. To the point. Then if we don't write dear, do not write dear, in the salutation. Salutation එක ලියනකොට අපි dear කියලා පටන් ගන්නෙ නැහැ. Do not write dear in the salutation. Then එහෙනම් ඒ වගේම do not end අවසන් කරන්නේත් නැහැ. Do not end with yours. Sincerely, truly, like that. Then you can use contracted forms. It can be. Instead of I am, we can write I. Okay? Instead of do not, we can write don't. These are the contracted forms. Right? Is it clear? Tips for writing notes. Do not write the topic. Do not write anybody's address. Do not write opening remarks such as how are you, how's your life, like that. Then should write in brief and to the point. Do not write dear in the salutation. Do not end with yours sincerely or truly. Use contracted forms. That is, you instead of writing I am, here there are two words, but we can make it as one using apostrophe I am. Then do not short form don't. Okay, like that. Those are the things you have to keep that in your mind when writing a notes. Now let's do an activity now, right? Let's do an activity now. Copy this. Write a note to your friend. Write a note to your friend. Asking him or her, asking him or her to return your science, to return your science notebook. Science notebook before Saturday. Before Saturday, as you have a monthly test, as you have a monthly test, on that day, on Monday. As you have a monthly test on Monday, use about 20 words. Use about 20 words. Right. Now go through the question. Write a note to your friend asking him or her to return your science book. Return your science notebook before Saturday as you have a monthly test on Monday. Use about 20 words. Right. What do we write first? We write the date. Then write the date here in this side. Then the salutation. Do we start with dear? No. Then Tisha. Right? Then how are we going to make our message? How are we going to write our message? We can take it from this question. Look at the board again. Write a note to your friend asking him or her to return. Now, this is for you to understand what to do. Right? This is the question you have given. You can help these sentences to make your answer. Now here, to return your. Now we have to change your as my. ප්‍රශ්නේදී අපිට your කියලා දුන්නා නම් අපි ලියන්න ඕන my කියලා. ඒ ඔබේ විද්‍යාපොතනේ. එතකොට මම ඉල්ලන්නේ ආසෝකෙන් මගේ විද්‍යාපොත. එහෙනම් you have to change your as to my. Right? Then we can start in this list. Please දැන් මොකද ගන්න? මෙන්න මෙතනින් පටන් ගන්න අපි උත්තරේ. කොහොමද? Return my science notebook before Saturday as මෙතන you වෙනස් කරනවා මෙතනත් you වෙනස් වෙනවා නේද? එතන වෙන්නේ මොකද අපේ I subject pronoun. හරිද? මටයි කියන්නේ මමයි කරන්නේ. එතකොට please return my science notebook before Saturday as I have the monthly test on Monday. That is the message we have to convey. Everything is given in our question, right? So we have to learn how to make our answer by taking the questions given in the paper. Okay, right? Let's write now. Please return my science notebook. Please return my science notebook before Saturday. As I have a monthly test on Monday. Then who is the sender? Write your name. That is the end of the note, right? Now, look at this note again. Can you see the date? Yes. 14, 12, 20 days. That is the salutation. Teacher. Message. Please return my science notebook before Saturday as I have a monthly test on Monday. Who is the writer? Who is the sender? Preet. Right? Like that, you can make many questions changing this note. You can write English note, Sinhala notebook, and you can change the event. Now here it is a monthly test. You can write a quiz program like that. There you have to replace only science notebook and the reason. You have to replace these two only to make new notes. I have given an activity in WhatsApp. Answer that and send it to me. Okay? I hope you have understand today's lesson very clearly. Then try to do the questions in 2018, 19, 17. 2017, 18, 19 question papers. Notes. In test 6. Okay. Hope you have done today's lesson. Good morning, children.